Namaste, sir. Can you start a prayer, sir, please?
Yeah, good morning. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I just got delayed a bit.
No problem.
I did not even see the time. I was thinking it is only 6:41. Sorry. Now, coming to today's class, yesterday, Swapnaji, we covered some Chit Chana Prayogam. I will take it for you again because today morning, that Uma and Sar attended yesterday. So, you too, after completing this Tavatu and Ikta Pratyayam, we will go through it again. Okay? Now, coming to today's class, we are going to cover. Can you see the screenshot now?
Yes.
Yeah.
So, we are going to use Tavatu and Ikta Pratyayam today. You may wonder what is these things. It is there in the lesson, later lesson, 9th lesson or something, it starts. See, Tavatu here, the first letter is Ik. You can see no Ka, half letter. Halantiyam is there. Then Tava, then It is there. Then one U is there. Okay. That Ik is that we call it as Halantiyam. That will be Adarsanam. That is, you can't see it. When you pronounce, the Ik will get detached from this. Tava, It will be there. The U also will not be there. See, these are known as pratyaya. Pratyaya means something which get added. Suffix we call it in English. And these are all kridanta pratyaya. Kridanta, you know, no? We know verb, normal verb you all know. Like pat dhatu, dav dhatu, padati, davati, kridati. Like this, we have got normal dhatus which are declared by Panini. Okay. Apart from that, we can make dhatus also. So that is known as Kridanta. They are not actually dhatus. You can't call it directly dhatu, but they will have the bhava. That is the bhavam of the dhatu they will be having. So these Kridanta dhatus are very famous. In fact, many of us who want to use Sanskrit language in our spoken language, we will directly go to Kridantam than to normal dhatus. For example, if you take and this Tavatu, before going further, I will explain slowly. This Tavat Dhatu, they are all referring to past tense. Ikta and Tavatu, they are past tense. If you want to say something in past tense, you can use them. For example, Rama is reading. Normally, how will you tell that? Rama was reading. Rama read yesterday, something like that. How will you say it? Can you try? Normally,
Apata.
Ramaha Apatat.
Apata.
So this, because it's a lakaram, lang lakaram you call it. Okay. So if you say Rama Apatat, okay, two Ramas, when you commit Apatatam, then more than Bahuvachanam this Apatan. The Madhyama Purusha, when it comes to you read yesterday, what will you say? Apataha. Visargam will come. Then two of you, that is yuvam, when you try to say apatataha, then apatata, it will change. Then I read it yesterday, say you want to say apatam. So if you look at it, there is this Purusha, that is Pratama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha. Accordingly, this Lakara Rupam changes. Am I clear up till now? Whereas if you take this Tavatu Pratyayam Dikta, they will not change. For example, Ramaha Padita. This Tavatu Pratyaya in Pratama Vibhakti, how it will look like this? Ramaha Paditavan. Sita Paditavati. Here, first time you will learn, usually you know, there is no Linga Vedam for verb. All along, Rama Apatat, Sita also Apatat only. That is what Lakaram doesn't make any Linga Vedam. Whether male or female, Patati, Apatat, all are identical. Correct? There is no Linga Vedam in Lakaram when it comes to Lingam. You understood that, no? Ramaha also apatat only, Sita also apatat only, Mitram also apatat only. There is no difference. Whereas in this Kridantam, there will be Linga Vedam. Ramaha, when you say it will become Paditavan. Sita, when you say it will become Paditavati. And when you say Mitram, Namusalingam Paditavat. First time you will learn, and this is not really Lakaram. I told you, it is a Kridanta Padam. And but it will have Paditavan when you say, Rama read. It is a past tense. The bhavam of past tense has come into it. But whether it is really past tense, no. That is what I am trying to tell right from the beginning. These Kridanta Padas will give the feeling that we are using the past tense. And there is some benefit. The Rupa will remain whether Madhyama Purusham, you Paditavan only, Aham Paditavati only. So it will, that is, it will not change. Like apatam, apatat, apataha, like that it changes, no, in lakaram. Here, this purusha difference will not be there. It will be identical. So people like to use this, number one. Anyway, we have to learn it because we all class போகணும். Class போகணும். Class போகணும். No? Okay. So, one minute. I'll open my book and then go further. That Tavatu
Mahoday.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
Tavatu and Ta are same
They have the same meaning, past tense.
meaning. Okay.
Past tense. That's all the meaning. Meaning is these are two Kridantas which will denote only past tense. Okay.
So there are two different Kridantas or the same Kridanta
Different.
has
They are very different.
name?
Very different. They are not same. For example, you have learned Karmani Prayogam. You all learned because I have completed the Karmani Prayogam class, if I am right. Okay. In Karmani Prayogam, how do you say? For example, in Karmani Prayogam, say one sentence to somebody. Normal sentence you tell and convert
Normal
it.
sentence, Ramaha pustakam pathati.
Okay.
Ramena pustakah pathyate.
Pustakam is Napusalingam, it is same. Okay. Ramaha pustakam, Ramena pustakam patyate. This is Karmani Prayogam. Correct. So Ramaha patati, you used the which lakaram you used? Lat lakaram you used. That is present tense you used. Use past tense. Past tense.
Ramaha pustakam apatat.
Convert.
Now Karmani Ramena pustakam apatet.
Apatyate.
Patyate.
Sorry. Apatyata. Because Karmani will be always Atmanevadi Rupam. Okay. Karmani is always Atmanevadi Rupam. So apatyata. Okay. Is it clear? Have you done this one? Karmani, if you are sure, you know. Now, madam asked the question, where the Ikta Pratyam used? Instead of using the apatyata, I can use Ramena Pustakam. This Ikta Pratyam I will teach you, but just for the sake of answer I am telling, the Pat Dhatu will take the form Patataha, wait a minute, Paditaha, Padita, Paditam. This is the Rupam it will take. Paditaha means past tense, singular. Padita, Strilingam. Paditam is Napusalingam. I can simply say that one which is used in the past tense using the lakaram. I can say Ramena Paditaha. Because here, Karmani, in the Karmani, which Pustakam was there, no? Pustakam Padita, that is what you are telling. So Ramena, the Pratama Vibhakti, Ramaha will become into Tritiya. So Ramena, Pustakam will remain Pustakam because it is Napusalingam. Then the verb will be, instead of Apatyata, I can use it because this is Pustakam. Pustakam has become the Kartrupadam now. It is the Karta now in this one. So Pustakam Paditam. Okay. Paditaha, Padita, Paditam. All the three you can use because Pustakam Paditam. Ramena, Gita, let us say song, something is Gita, Padita. Something pulling in between, what can come? Ramena, Gita.
EkanimishamMahoday.
Hmm.
So in Karmani it is the pratyaya, and in
You can
Kartari it
use.
is Tavatu pratyaya. Is that what it is?
Exactly. In
Okay.
Kartari, past tense, you can use only Tavatu Pratyaya.
Okay.
Tavatu cannot come into Karmani.
Okay.
But if one more Pratyaya is available, Ta Pratyaya, generally it can never be used as a Kartari, but there are 3-4 instances which I will explain. Ta can also be used in the past tense in the Kartari Rupam very rarely. Only few dhatus are permitted. But generally it is a Karmani Rupam of Tavatu. That is a very correct way of putting it. Is it okay? Now we
Yes.
will go. Okay. So we will go into the lesson. Can somebody start reading? Madam?
Tavatu
Hmm.
Tavatu
Start.
pratyayasya विशेषणम्
Hmm.
एक
Usually these
भावः.
they can be used as Visheshana Visheshana. Remember Visheshana Visheshana you have already studied. So it will go as per the Lingam, Vachanam and Vibhakti of the Visheshyam. Okay.
Yeah.
So that you remember. But you remember this is always a past tense. Okay. How the word is formed and all you don't have to remember. But this the tavat, the word I told you, ik will go away, u will go away. What is left out will get added to the original dhatu. Pat plus tavat. So paditavat will become. Paditavat if you take, you have already studied. Paditavan, Paditavantau, Paditavantaha, it is actually a Subandam, like Rama Sabdam. But you have to learn
Yes.
that. Entire 7 Vibhakti you have to learn. And that will
Yeah.
become a Visheshana. Yes.
बालकः ग्रन्थं पठितवान्. अत्र
Hmm.
क्रियापदम् अध्याहृतम्
Hmm.
अस्ति भवति इति क्रियापदम्.
Hmm.
बालकः ग्रन्थं पठितवान् अस्ति. The
Hmm.
boy read the book. The boy read the book.
Yeah.
ग्रन्थं पठितवान् बालकः अस्ति. The boy who read the book is.
Hmm.
बालकः इति विशेष्यम्.
Hmm.
पठितवान् इति विशेषणम्.
Visheshana. So we can even say Paditavan Balakaha Asti. The fellow who was reading the book is there. Like that we can tell. So this Paditavan is what I told you. It is just like Rama Sabdam. Okay, now Sabda Rupam will be changing. But Paditavan, Paditavantau, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, like that it will change. So this can be used as a Visheshanam also. Mainly you will ask the question, this Asti why we are putting? Because it is just the Paditavan is, I told you, it is a Shabda Rupam. It is Nama Sabdam, like that one Shabda Rupam. Yeah, sentence must have a verb, it is compulsory. So, you have generally in the mind we put Asti, Bhavati, or Apatat, something, whatever you want, you can put it. But here, Paditavan itself is enough because it is the Bhavartham. This Paditavan is known as the Kridanta Padam. Okay, so from this you can tell me what is a Kridantam?
What is a Kridantam ityukte? Noun,
Paditavan
right?
is a Kridanta Padam. So what is a Kridantam?
It's a noun, no?
Tavan,
Yeah, but
Tavan.
generally Kridantam is formed by Dhatu plus Kridanta Pratyaya. There should be one Dhatu plus Kridanta Pratyaya. You get a Kridanta Padam. Because you see, dhatus you can use, it is a verb, and without that there cannot be a sentence. But Panini says you can create by from the dhatu, but what you are creating, actually you are not creating another dhatu, but a subantam, that is a nama padam, which will have the bhava of the dhatu. It is as if you are saying Ramaka patati or apatat. Here it is past tense, so apatat. Instead of saying Ramaha apatat, you can say Ramaha paditavan. So that asti and all generally we never put. We will only when you talk, it is very easy. Ramaha paditavan. But when it comes to Sita, Then Sita also apatat you will say. Here you cannot say that. You have to say Sita paditavati. Nadi sabdam you have to use. There is a rule. In the pada. And Nadi sabdam 7 vibhaktis are there, no? 7 into 3, 21. Same way here also paditavati has 7 into 3, 21 is there. When it comes to Napunskalingam, paditavat is the rule. Paditavat is the actually Pratipadikam. Rama Sabdatala, what is the Pratipadikam? What is Pratipadikam means the root. In Rama Sabdam,
Rama.
what is the root? Rama.
Rama.
In Sita Sabdam, what is the root?
Sita.
Sita. Like that, here in the Paditavan, what is the root?
Pat.
Pat.
No.
No, Patita. No.
Pat plus Tavat.
Tavat.
So Paditavat is the root. This you
Patitavat.
have to remember.
Patitavat.
Okay, you can write down whatever I say. You please write down this. Anyway, I will post it today in the class. You can go through this also. But this is the main important one. So, Rama, what is the Pratipadikam? You should know. So, what is the Pratipadikam? Paditavat is the Pratipadikam. Whether it is Pullingam, Strilingam, Napunskalingam, for all the Pratipadikam for Pat Dhatu with Kridanta Dhatu is Paditavat only. But when it is Pullingam, it will become Paditavan, Paditavantau, Paditavantaha, Paditavantam, Paditavantau, Paditavataha. Then it will change. Paditavata, like that it will change. Remember Marut Sabdam, you must have, Halant Sabdam, 1 or 2 you must have learnt. That is Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantaha. Have you read it? That Sabda Rupam, are you aware of it? Bhavan Sabdam. Bhavan Sabdasya Pratipadikam Kim?
Bhavat, no?
So you know the takara and the saktam becomes bhavan, bhavantau, bhavantaha. Same thing here. Paditavat becomes paditavan. Bhavan sabda says Srilinga Rupam bhavati. How did it say? Nadi sabdam. Bhavatyau, bhavatvatyau, bhavatvatyaha. Like that it is changed. Here also. So remember bhavan sabdam. Then accordingly you can, all the 7 vibhakti you must know. Then only you can write the Visheshanam. So this is what it is. Yes, madam, go ahead.
बालिका पुस्तकं पठितवती अस्ति. पुस्तकं पठितवती बालिका अस्ति.
Yeah. But this asti generally we don't use. If you want, you can use, but generally we don't use.
Yeah.
But when I say Balika Pustakam Paditavati, what is the verb? If I ask you, what is the Kriya Padam here?
Asti.
What will be the
Bhavati.
answer?
Asti or Bhavati.
But it is not there, no?
Yeah, Adyahara.
Adyahara Rupe Asti or Bhavati is there. That you will have to write it. Okay? Okay, next. Anybody else wants to read?
Oh, okay. Somebody else.
Sir, you read it.
अस् अथवा भू धातु किमपि लकारे भवितुम् अर्हति. किमपि लकारे भवितुम् अर्हति. In these dhatus, all the lakaras can be applied.
No. See, when you say Ramaga Paditavan, when you said there is no verb, I told you. So madam told I can keep asti because then there must be a verb. So Ramaga Paditavan asti you can use. Or if you want Ramaga Paditavan asit you can use. Or Ramaga Paditavan bhavati you can use. Now those things they are giving. See, if you want to put your lakaram properly, because there is no lakaram, that is the truth. Krishna Padam is not a lakaram. It only gives the bhavam. But it is just like any nama padam, it has 7 vibhaktis also. It is actually a subandam. So, you cannot say Rama Paditavan. What is the verb? Rama Paditavan is the verb. No, that is not correct. So, Adyahara Rupe, some verbs are there. What verb you can use? Either Asti or Bhavati only. That they are giving here. If at all you
So
are
it
going
is,
to use,
if it is not there, it is
it will
implied
not
it is
be
there.
there. See, in practice, people don't put Asti or Bhavati. That is their problem. No, they don't want to use it. It is okay. But that is the only, lakaram is the only verb that should go into your, this one. Lakaram is the only verb as told by Panini Maharishi. This Paditavan, Paditavati, Paditavat and all we created for our day to day speaking, and it has become so popular. It is there, and it is told to be Panini only. That is not a difference. A Krisanta Padam can be used with the bhavam of that particular dhatu. It has the bhavam. As if you told Rama yesterday studied. Even though you should have told apatat only, but you are not very comfortable with all the three forms. Total 9 forms are there, no? Prathama Purusha 3, Madhyama Purusha 3, Uttama Purusha. Here only one form throughout. But Linga Vedam asti. That's the difference. So he says you can use it. But in case you want to use a verb there, you have to use only either asdhatu or bhudhatu. Okay, so Ramaha Paditavan Asti, Ramaha Paditavan Asit. This you can say. Then proper verb is there. The sentence is fully completed with the proper verb. Okay, next. Yes, sir, go ahead.
पुस्तकं पठितवान् बालकः अस्ति. पुस्तकं पठितवान् बालकः भविष्यति. So this
Bhavishyati
is
is
future tense.
Yeah. So this asdhatu and bhudhatu you can use to substitute a real lakaram. That is the only this thing. Next.
बालकः ग्रन्थं पठितवान् अथवा ग्रन्थं पठितवान् बालकः अस्ति. That is implied. बालकौ ग्रन्थं पठितवन्तौ. पठितन्तौ वा? पठितवन्तौ, no ma'am?
Vantau, spelling mistake.
Okay.
Spelling mistake. Paditavat will become only vantau.
ग्रन्थं पठितवन्तौ बालकौ स्तः.
Because it is two people, you have to instead of asti, you are using stha. That's it.
वचनं. बालकाः ग्रन्थं पठितवन्तः. Again typos. ग्रन्थं पठितवन्तः बालकाः सन्ति. Plural. बहुवचनं.
Okay.
तद्वद् बालिका पुस्तकं पठितवती. पुस्तकं पठितवती बालिका अस्ति. बालिके पुस्तकं पठितवत्यौ. यहाँ this is correct. पुस्तकं पठितवत्यौ बालिके स्तः. बालिका पुस्तकं पठितवत्यः. पुस्तकं पठितवत्यः बालिकाः सन्ति.
See, this paditavan, paditavanto, paditavati, I told you, just like Rama Sabda eva, but only the rupam has changed. Paditavat is the pratipadikam and tavatu you have added, so paditavat plus it become paditavan. How it became and all, now you need not know, but only my, like Bhavan, how you mug up, you mug it up. So this you know, paditavan, paditavanto, paditavanto, paditavantaha. This tau and taha, how it came, you know. Because it is just from the Rama Sabdam only. Similarly, but how to remember this for all the Tavatu Pratyayam, you have to remember as Bhavan Sabdam eva. How Bhavan Sabdam? Can somebody tell me Bhavan Sabdam? Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantaha. Bhavantam, Bhavantau.
Bhavan, I will say Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantaha. He Bhavan, he Bhavantau, he Bhavantaha. Bhavantam, Bhavantau, Bhavataha. Bhavata,
Remember the Dvidya Vibhakti line, that Nakaram gets lost. This is very important. Okay, Bhavataha it will become. Next.
Dvidya Vibhakti. Bhavata, Bhavadbhyam, Bhavadbhihi. Bhavate, Bhavadbhyam, Bhavadbhyaha. Bhavataha, Bhavadbhyam, Bhavadbhyaha. Bhavataha, Bhavatoho. Bhavatam, Bhavati, Bhavatoho, Bhavatsu.
Yes. See, this is something very, very important. If you look at it, that Pratipadam takes over from the Tritiya Vibhakti. Isn't it? Because Bhavat plus A Sabdam you added. Bhavata, Bhavate, Bhavataha, Bhavataha, Bhavati. This is very, very important because in Rama Sabdam Mandal it will never become like that. This Takara Rupam, that Halantya Rupam is very different. This all we have known. Martha Sabdam, Bhavat Sabdam, so many, in all the Satru Pratyaya Sabdas are all like that only. So this you have to remember. Similarly, Nadi Sabdam. Can somebody tell me Nadi Sabdam? Amrita madam is there. Huh? Okay, you tell me madam, Nadi Sabdam.
So, Nadi, Nadim, Nadya, Nadyai, Nadyaha, Nadyaha, Nadyam, He Nadi.
You are going by the entire first one. I was so shocked. What is this second different? Okay.
Nadyau,
Can you
Nadyau,
tell like this? Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah, like that?
Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah, Nadyam, Nadyau, Nadihi.
No, madam. Second, wrong.
Second, you want idu
Dvitiya Vibhakti starts with
Nadim.
Nadim. Okay.
Nadim, Nadyau, Nadyaha,
No, no, madam.
Nadyah, no,
No.
Nadihi.
Nadihi. Nadihi.
Nadihi.
Very good. Very good.
Nadya, Nadibhyam, Nadibhihi, Nadyai, Nadibhyam, Nadibhyah, Nadyai, Nadyah, Nadibhyam, Nadibhyah, Nadyah, Nadyau, Nadinam,
Not Nadyau. No, no. You are telling sixth Vibhakti, no?
Nadyoho,
Hmm.
Nadyoho, Nadinam, Nadyam, Nadyoho, Nadishu.
Nadishu. Okay. If you look at this Paditavati, can somebody tell me Paditavati? It looks like a Nadi, but there will be some small differences there. That you note down and tell me. Paditavati. Nadi Rupam, it looks, but can you go ahead and tell me? Same way.
Patitavati, Patitavathyau, Patitavathyah,
Vatim.
Patitavatim,
Vatim.
Patitavatyau, Patitavatihi,
Correct. Nadihi.
Patitavatya, Nadya, Patitavatya, Patitavatyam, no. Is it Patitavatyam? Nadibhyam, how would that be?
See, you are in the third Vibhakti. There you would have told normally Nadi Sautam, Nadya.
Nadya is Patitavatya. But what is Dvivachanam instead of Nadibhyam?
Nadi, same. Nadibhyam means Paditavatibhyam. What is the difference?
Patitavatibhyam.
That's all.
Patitavatibhyam, Patitavatibihi, Nadim, Nadya, Nadyai, Patitavatyai, Patitavatibhyam, Patitavatibihi, Patitavatyaha, Patitavatibhyam, Patitavatibhyah, Patitavatyaha, Patitavatibhyam, Patitavatibhyah, I think. Then Shashti will be Nadyaha, Patitavatyaha, Patitavatyo,
Here, Vatyoho. Because the Pratipadikam is Paditavat, na? So, Paditavatoho, it will come. Okay? That it will not come. So, the it will join with the oho. Paditavatoho,
Patitavatoho, Patitavatinam, Patitavatyam, Patitavatoho, Patitavatishu.
Patishu, yes, that's all. So this, if you know, this lesson is over because this all the 7 vibhaktis you have to know to use in the sentence. As madam correctly put in the beginning, only kartari prayogam for the this tavatu pratyayam. It can never be used in the karmani. So if I say Ramaha paditavan, how will you change into tavatu pratyayam, karmani prayogam? Problem, because Paditavan cannot be used. So that's a counterpart is Tavatu Ikta Pratyaya. That we are going to see now. Okay? So who will read now? Amrita ji, can you continue read this part one page for me?
Okay. Ta pratyayasya visheshana bhavah balakena grantah pathitah atra kriyapadam adhyahritam asti bhavati iti kriyapadam balakena grantah pathitah asti. The book has been read by the boy. बालकेन पठितः ग्रन्थः अस्ति. The book
Mm.
that has been read by the boy is. ग्रन्थः इति विशेष्यं. पठितः इति विशेषणम्.
Mm.
बालकेन
Here, but up till this, what you have noticed about this ikta pratyayam? Normally, balakaha paditavan, that's what you know. But here it starts with balakena. So, normal katrupadam will always be in Tritya Bhakti. So, looking at it, you know, ikta pratyayam is generally in the karmani rupam eva. Okay. Ikta pratyayam is used only in the karmani rupam. Ramena padita. When you look at Ramena, the book was read by Rama. That's all. That is what you use, no? When it is, I can say the book was read by Rama, by das balakena, pustakam paditaha. Like that I can say. Or I can say balakena pustakam apatat will become pustakam is napumsalingam. So, what is, I mean, this rupam, lakara rupam la apatyata. That's all. Instead of apatyate, which is very difficult for me to remember, atmanepadi, rupam, pat, dhatu, so all those, simply you put the ikta pratyayam, paditaka, padita, paditam, over. There is no akaram, that is that which will come in the beginning for all the past tense in the lakara rupam will never come here. It is simply paditaka, padita, padita for strilingam, paditam. See, paditaha I told you. Now you read it paditaha. What rupam it is? I told you all the Tavatu and Ikta Pratyayam are normal Subantam. They are just like a Ramapadam only. Okay, normal Subantam. So Paditaha, when you look at it, it looks like which Padam for you? Ramaha, correct?
Pullinga padam, yeah.
Pullinga, Visargam is there, Paditaha is just like Ramaha. So can you tell the 7 Vibhakti of this Rupam?
Pathita. Can I tell vertically?
Yes, madam. Yes. I am not very comfortable, madam. Like
Okay.
that only.
पठितः पठितौ
Mm.
पठिताः.
That's all. So, if you want to say in the past tense, Rama read a book, how will you say? Ramaha, you cannot use.
रामः.
You have to, no, you cannot use. I told you, no, it will be normal karta will be only in Tritiya Vibhakti. So, Ramena Paditaha. Pustakam, if you want to put it, put it. You don't put it, also it is okay for me. Depend on it, this Paditaha will change. Paditaha for Pullingam, Padita for Strilingam, Paditam for Napusalingam. If you are going to use book, it will be Ramaha Pustakam Paditaha. Paditam, because Pustakam is Napumsalingam, so you have to put Paditam. Otherwise, Grantaha, if you take it, you let us, what is the Dvitiya Bhakti of?
रामेण ग्रन्थौ पठितौ.
Okay.
रामेण ग्रन्थाः पठिताः.
That's all. This is how you have to make the sentence. This Ramena will completely remember artists. Your verb will change according to the karma padam, because that is what is the rule for all the karmani prayogam. The verb will change as per the karma padam, as per in the karmani prayogam. Here in this ikta pratyayam, it is always like that. It is always in the karmani rupam, but there are some exceptions. In your book, they have given, for example, if you take gam dhatu. Gam dhatu, you remember?
Yeah.
Can you tell a sentence? Gachati, Ramaha Gachati. You can say Ramaha Gataha also in the past tense. You need not say Ramena Gataha. You can say Ramaha Gataha. It is allowed. For Gam Dhatu, Ikta Pratyayam, Kartari Rupam is permitted. But not for all dhatus. For all dhatus, you have to put Ramena, Apaditaha, Ramena, Davitaha, like that only you have to use. But for Gam dhatu, very few, 3, 4 dhatus I have got. They can be used in the Kartari Rupam just for the information. For your level, only this Tritiya Vibhakti, if you use for the Kartrupadam, more than sufficient. Okay, and unlike the Tavutru, you have to put a Yakaram and you have to put a Te, like Atmanepadi Rupam. Here nothing. Paditaha, Padita, Paditam, whatever, all the 7 Vibhaktis you have got, accordingly you can use and go away. Okay? Okay, madam, continue.
Mahodaya, before we proceed, in this, what I just read, but there is no difference between Balakena Granthaha Patitaha and Balakena Patitaha Grantha, right? They are both the same meaning.
In Sanskrit, wherever you put a particular word, the meaning will remain identical. Because unlike our languages, we are used to a particular way in telling in English or in Tamil. For example, my name is Padmavati. This is English. I can never say Padmavati name my. This is not allowed. But if you put my name is Padmavati, Mama Nama Padmavati, Padmavati Mama Nama, Padmavati Nama Mama, you put anywhere, it is meaning the same. The trick is here, every word has a vibhakti. Okay. Padmavati is a Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So it will be a Kartrupadam, 100%. There is no change.
Yeah.
Okay. Mama, 7th Vibhakti. Sorry, 6th Vibhakti. Asmat Sabdat is 6th Vibhakti. So it will never change. Whether you put in the front place or at the end, it will never change. And that will take the meaning. Mama means mine in English. No, my name is. That it comes here. So in Sanskrit, you take any poem also. So why we do this putting in the prose order? Because our mind is used to a particular way of telling things. My name is Padmavati. I live in Bangalore, like that. But in poem, when they write in Sanskrit, because the meaning doesn't change, the meaning doesn't change because vibhaktis give a particular meaning to a particular word wherever it is. That is why it never changes. But that is the not case with the other languages, which maybe your mother tongue or English, whatever you say it, we are used to a particular rupa only. That is not necessary in Sanskrit. But we are doing the Anvaya Krama because our mind wants to be in a particular way. Otherwise, do you so many poems you have done, no? This way, that way, you have changed, rewritten, and you said this is what, who did it? You are asking the question, what he did, by what he did, why he did, all the questions you ask, and then you rewrite the poem, right? Anvaya Krama you have studied. Why do you do it? Whether the meaning has changed? Meaning has never changed. You want to put it because you are used to it. Padma did it. So who did it? You ask the question. Kaha. Then it says Padma. You write it. Come. You write it. Then you rewrite it in that fashion. That is what the whole Anvaya Krama rule is. Why do we need Anvaya Krama in the prose order? Because our brain is used to that form. That's all. Whereas when the poet writes it in the whatever form he wants, the meaning never changed. You never created a new meaning by doing the Anvaya Krama. So here what you ask the question is whether the words Ramaha Grantaha Patati Paditaha, whether it will change if I write Paditaha Grantaha Balakena, will it change? It will never change. Because Paditaha, whether it is in the beginning or at the end, it is a verb. You know it, no? If Krisanta verb. Grantaha, Grantam, Granta, what is Karma Padam or Kartru Padam, you know. Balakena, here in this it is in the Tritiya Vibhakti. So by him, all the Tritiya Vibhakti is by, the word is by. By him it was read. That's all. Here the Grantaha will be always in the Prathama Vibhakti. So Grantaha Paditaha. Because it is in the Karmani Rupam, Grantaha Paditaha. The Grantham was read. By whom? Balakena. So normal Kartrupadam has taken the Tritiya Vibhakti like a Karmani Prayogam. It looks like a Karmani Prayogam. Okay?
Yeah. And I had one more question.
Sanskrit, wherever you write, the meaning will know. There is a peculiarity and a speciality of Sanskrit. But we will not accept it because our mind is tuned to a particular way of writing. If I tell, Madam, what's your name? If you say Padmavati, name, my, if I say, you will be laughing, what is this English she is speaking? Because our mind is used to it. But the meaning remains same in Sanskrit. About other languages, doesn't remain the same. It changes. Okay, madam.
So now I had one more question. So if in this sentence there was another Visheshanam, if it was Balakah Sthulam Grantham Pathati, that is the Kartari Prayogam, when we change that to Karmani, all the Visheshanam will take over the Dvitiya form, right?
See, what is the sentence you said? Ramaka you told. Okay.
In Kartari Prayogam, if it is
Ramaha. In Kartari only Dvitiya form is there.
Ramaha Sthulam
Grantham. So this Sthulam is only the Visheshana of Grantham, right?
Yes.
That you have to be converted to the Prathama Vibhakti. There is a rule for all the Karmani. So Sthulaha Grantaha. That you have to change it. So Ramena Sthulaha Grantaha. Anyway, for us, Grantaha is the Kartru for the time being. In the Karmani Rupam, the original Karma Padam takes the Kartru Rupam. So Grantaha, so Paditaha. Okay. Idi pustakam, let us say. Stoolam, pustakam, padati, let us say. So stoolaha, pustakam, will it change? It will not change. Okay. Pustakam. Now, pustakam is the new karma padam. So paditaha will not come. Pustakam is what? Napumsakalingam. So it will be paditam. First time you are learning, even though paditaha, padita, paditam looks like a verb, they are taking.
Make a notion. So, Mahoday, you said Balakena Stulaha Pustakam. So, Stulam will not become Stulam Pustakam?
Pustakam, whether now it is Napumsakalingam, okay.
Yeah, right.
Stulam was their original, correct? Now you have
Okay.
to convert it into Prathama Vibhakti.
No, that okay. I got
Then
Stulam, but
Pustakam will remain the same.
no, sorry. Pustakam, I understand. Stulam is Dvitiya Vibhakti. So it
You
will
have to
become
convert it into
Stulaha Pustakam.
Prathama.
Okay.
Stulaka Pustakam. And what is
Okay.
this? The verb will follow what? Pustakam evana.
Pustakam eva. Oh.
Pustakam.
Okay,
So Pustakam will become, what will be the verb now? Paditam will become. Because first time you are learning as per the lingam, these things will change, which was never there in the lakaram. In lakaram, irrespective of the lingam, the verb will remain the constant. Okay. So Ramaha Pustakam Apatat only will be there. Sita Pustakam Apatat only will be there. And whatever the Katrupadam you take, Mitram. Mitram Pustakam Apatat only will be there. But here it will change. Okay. It
But
will change.
Mahodaya, it will be Sthulam Pustakam, no? Because Sthulaha can be Sthulaha, Sthula, Sthulam. Because it is Pustakam, we are saying Sthulam, not because it is Dvitiya, no?
No, madam. See, Ramaha, you wanted to say Pustakam Padati, but it is some Lagu Pustakam. That's what you are trying to tell, right?
Yeah.
So, it is Visheshanam to Pustakam.
Okay.
When Pustakam is in Dvitiya Bhakti, Stulam was in Dvitiya Bhakti.
Okay.
That is how it goes now. What type of Pustakam? It is not a Brihat Pustakam. It is a Stula Pustakam. That's what you are trying to tell, na?
Yes. Yes.
So, when you convert both, you have to convert back to Prathama Vibhakti when you are in the Karmani Rupam. Original Dvitiya Vibhakti will become a Prathama Vibhakti, no?
No, but Prathama Vibhakti for the word Sthulaha will be Sthulaha only if the word following it is a Pullinga Padam. No, the Prathama Vibhakti for an Apumsakalinga Padam word with Sthula will always be Sthulam, no? How will it become Sthulaha?
Sthulam is correct.
Because it's a
Sthulam is
Visheshanam.
this Visheshanam. So it can go into all the three. Correct. Sthulam, Pustakam. Correct. What you say is correct. Correct.
But ma'am,
Stulaha Grantaha
we
you
still
can
have
get.
to follow
Stulam
that.
Granta. 1 minute. Stulam Grantam will become Stulaha Grantaha. Okay, yeah?
Understood.
Sorry. Right. Okay, madam. Visheshana will go into all the
My
three.
point, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
My point was we still have to follow the rule, no? 3-1-1. So it will be
Yeah, that
Stulaha
rule what
Grantaha.
madam says is correct. What you say is true. When she is Stulam Pustakam Ramaha, when it was the Stulam was in Duriya Vibhakti, Pustakam was in Duriya Vibhakti. Now you are converting back both into Prathama Vibhakti when you come to Karmani. When I said Pustakam will be same Pustakam, Prathama also Pustakam only. In Stulam, I stuck with the Stulaha, which is not correct because Stulaha, Stulam, Stula, it is because of it is a Visheshana Padam. It is in all the three, this one. Okay, it can be in Pullingam, it can be in Strilingam, it can be in Napunsalingam. So Stulam will remain Stulam only even in Prathama Bhakti when it is following Pustakam. Okay, so Stulam, Pustakam, but now both are in Prathama Bhakti. Ramayana has gone into Tritiya Vibhakti. Because these two are in Prathama Vibhakti, the verb has to follow them. Here verb is paditaha, that ita pratyayam, the sabdam. So it will take the verb paditam because it changes as per the Napusalingam, Pullingam, Strilingam. Linga bedam asti. That is the only thing we want to tell. Yes, madam. Who was reading? Continue it, madam.
बालकेन पुस्तकं पठितम् अस्ति. बालकेन पठितं पुस्तकम् अस्ति.
So that is no difference. Okay. Next, this also we already seen, Bhudhatu, this you know. So I will take it out. Balakena Grantaha Paditaha. Okay, this is same thing what we learned. Now, Madam Swapna ji, can you read this page?
Kartarita. What is
Hmm.
Kartarita? Okay.
See, I told you, no, Ta Pratyam is 90% Karmani Rupam only.
Correct. Oh, this
Only.
exception. Okay.
This is the exception. See, Gadya Artham. Gadya means Gamanam,
Gat,
coming and
okay.
going. Gam Dhatu is a Gadya Arthaka. Okay.
Gatyarthaka dhatavaha. Gachati
Hmm.
gatavan. It
Hmm.
is gataha.
So this is the.
Agachati agatavan. Agataha.
Hmm.
Prapnoti praptavan. Praptaha.
Hmm.
Yati yatavan yataha.
Hmm.
Nirgachati nirgatavan nirgataha.
If you look at
Okay.
this only the Gam Dhatu, tasya different Rupam. Gataha, Agataha, Praptaha, Yati. Yati, you know, no, that Yatra comes from Yati only, going from one place to another. And Nirgataha. All these dhatus can be used in the Kartari Rupam. 90% Karmani only for Tavatu Ikta Pratyayam. Tavatu is 100% only Kartari. It can never be in Karmani. Whereas Ta Pratyayam can be in the Kartari only for this Gam Dhatu, nothing else. Okay? So for example, Ramaha Gataha, you can say. Ramaha Vanam Gataha. So when Rama went to Vanam, Dasaratha Mritaha, Dasaratha died. He died at that time. So Mritaha also is from going from this world to other world. So you can put it, Dasaratha Mritaha. But don't think too much about it. Right now, remember Tritiya Bhakti. This Ramaha Gataha can be written as Ramena Gataha also. Okay? There is nothing wrong. Kartarila, if you want to write only for Gam Dhatu, you can put Tavatu Ikta Pratyayam like this. Ramaha Gataha. Ramaha Agataha, Praptaha, like that you can write it also. This is the exception for Tavatu Pratyayam in Kartari Rupam, only for this. And then this is one. Another exception is, you know Akarmakaha Dhatuhu, Sakarmakaha Dhatu, you have read it, remember? That is dhatus which, for example, Ramaha Hasati, Has dhatu. You cannot ask the questions, Kim Hasati, Kam Hasati, Kam Hasati, like that you cannot ask. He laughed. There will be no karma rupa. So, akarma, karma padame, these verbs will not take karma padam. Such verbs, when they are there, you can use tavatu in the kartari rupam. Can you read, madam? Akarmaka dhatu.
Jayate, jayate akarmani. Jayate jatavan jataha. Tishtati
Mm,
sthitavan sthitaha.
mm, mm,
Upavishati upavishtavan upavishtaha.
mm,
Swapiti suptavan suptaha.
mm. This
Snati
rupam is
snat.
different, no? Swapiti will become suptavan. This rupam something which is different, you have to remember very clearly.
Snati
Suptavan.
snatavan
Mm,
snataha.
mm,
हसति हसितवान् हसितः
mm.
रोदिति रुदितवान् रुदितः
These are all akarmaka dhatu. The dhatus which cannot take any karma padam. Because hasitaha, when you say, what is the karma padam? You can use, for example, Ramaha pustakam paditavan, you can say. Ramaha pustakam hasitavan, like that, you cannot say. It can never take a karma padam. These are known as akarma pada. They can be used in the tavatu pratyam directly in the kartari rupam. So, Ramaha jayate. Okay, Ramaha istitavan, he stood there. Ramaha upavishtavan, he sat there. Ramaha suptavan, he slept. Ramaha snataha, he took bath. You can use in this, all the akarmaka dhatu can be used in the ikta pratyayam also in the kartari rupam, even though 90% they should be only in the karmani rupam. Is there any doubt up till now? Can you go
So
further?
you can say Ramah Jataha also, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's what it is, right? Ramnaha Suptaha.
Uh,
Okay.
this is
Either
what
Suptavan or Suptaha.
Supta one
Okay.
is a normal kartari. You can very well use. All the Iktavatu is always kartari. But when it
Got
comes
it.
to ta pratyayam only you get a doubt. Only I have to Ramena should I
Got
take? You can say Ramaka Jataka also. For all the Akarmaka Dhatu and all the Gadyartha, the Gat Artha, which gives the meaning of going. Gadyartha, that is Gataha, Agataha, Praptaha, Yati. These dhatus give the meaning of going from one place to another. In those dhatus, the Itta Rupam can be used in the Kartari Rupam also. Now comes Abhyasam. Can you tell it in the Tavatu Rupam? One example you will see, then you can go further. I think answer they have given. Okay, try madam. Mahilaha Bhumau Tishtanti.
Mahilaha Bhumau
Tishtanti.
Stitavantava.
1 minute. Now you decide whether you are going to use Iktavatu Pratyayam or Iktavatu. First we will try only Tavatu Pratyayam. In Tavatu, it is Kartari Rupam only. Okay? And remember Paditavan, Paditavati, that you remember. Here Mahilaha.
Mahilaha Bhumau Stitavatyah.
Tishtati Stita.
Vatyah.
Tishtati.
Stitavatyah.
Vatyah. No, what is the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam? That is what I want to know.
Oh,
Tishtati.
Stitavati.
Sitavati.
Tishtati.
Tishtati is in the Lakara Rupam, madam. So what is the...
yes, Sitavati. Correct.
Sitavati, Vatyau, Vatyaha. Okay, next.
I do it or somebody else?
You do it.
Okay.
Next you will give some.
Okay. Saha Granthalayam Pravishati. Saha Granthalayam Pravishati.
Pravishati will become Pravishtavati. Pravishtavat will become Pravishtavat. Saha Pravishtavan.
Pravishtavan.
Pravishtavan. Right.
Vaidyaha Chikitsalayat Griham Agachati. Agataha. Agatavan.
Agatavan. Okay. Okay. Mantri.
Oh, I do it? Okay. Mantri Asande Upavishyati.
Only we are using Tavatu now.
Upavishati.
Upavishtavan.
Mantri Upavishtavan. Okay. Asande Upavishtavan. Okay. Swaminaha Putri Kashim Jayate. Jataha. Jatavan.
Okay. Correct? Jatavan, Jatavantav, Jatavataha. Here Putri.
Swaminaha, right? Swaminaha, I can go with Swaminaha.
Yes,
Putri Kashim.
Putri Kashim.
Jatavan.
Swaminaha is not the Pratama Vibhakti. Swaminaha. So Putri Jayate. Now Putri.
Okay. Jatavati.
Jatavati. Putri Jatavati.
Natakasya ante nataha nirgachati. Nirgataha.
Nataha.
Nataha nirgachati.
Yeah. So Gatavan, Gatavantav, Gatavantaha. So we will use only Kartari Rupa only for the time being. We will use only Tavatu. Then we will go to Ta. When you come to Ta, you cannot say Nataha. You have to change it into Tritiya. For example, Putri, everything you have to change into Tritiya. Right? Tavatu, Ikta Pratyaya, when you start, existing Kartru Rupam will change into Tritiya. Now we are not attempting it. We are only attempting Tavatu.
So how is this sentence form? Natakasya ante nataha nirgachati. Nirgachati. What form is this?
Why Nataha Nirgachati? They went out. After the
But
Natakam is over.
nataha nirgachanti, no?
Oh, they have put correct. Sorry. There are a lot of spelling mistakes. This is the PowerPoints they given me. Yes, Nirgachanti only should be there. This is
Okay,
plural.
okay.
Nataha
Understood.
Nirgachanti. Other things you can remove it. So Nataha
Okay.
Nirgachanti, it
Uh,
will become, for example, you are trying.
Nirgatavantaha.
Vantaha. Correct. Nirgatavan, Nirgatavantav, Nirgatavantaha. Ide, now, up till this 6, we will try ita pratyayam. Okay, ta pratyayam. Now you have to remember, all the existing Pratama Vibhakti Rupam will become Tritiya Vibhakti. That is, all the Kartru Padam will become Tritiya Vibhakti.
Yeah.
All the Karmani Rupa, Karma Padam which is there, it will become Pratama Vibhakti. 3, 1, 1. And the Datta Pratyayam will be, it will Linga Bedam, you know. Accordingly, look at the Karmani, existing Karma Padam, convert it into Pratama Rupam, and then use the Ta Pratyayam. So, Mahilaha, convert into Tritiya Bhakti.
Mahilabhihi.
Mahilabhihi. Bhumau.
Mahilabhihi. Bhumau. Bhumau will be Bhumau only.
Yes, because there is nothing to change there. It is not in Dudya Bhakti that I convert to second. Bhumau is which Bhakti?
Prathama Vibhakti Vidya Vachanam.
No. Bhumau is 7th, no, madam.
Oh, sorry.
Bhumi Sabdam.
Oh,
Bhumi,
sorry.
Ratri, Ratrau, Hari, Harau, Guru, Gurau, Bhumau. Bhumi Sabda today, 7th Vibhakti. So anything which is not Dudya, don't touch it. Okay, leave it as it is. Tishtanti will become, there is no karma padam here for you.
Yeah.
So you can take a Pratama Ekavachanam. Okay. So Tishtavan was the Tishtaha, Tishta, Tishtam. Okay, Tishtaha, Tishta, Tishtam. Because there is no karma padam, you cannot decide which gender it belongs to. So you can directly put Tishtaha eva, you can put it. You can assume.
Tishtaha?
Yeah, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Tishtaha, na? Tishtaha, Tishta, Tishtam. So Tishtaha. Mahilaha, Bhumau, Tishtaha. That's all. Mahilebhyaha. Trityapati, what you said? Mahila, what is the you tell? Mahilabhihi. Sorry, Mahilabhihi, Bhumau, Tishtaha. It will be over. Next.
Okay. Saha tena granthalayam. Granthalayam will be granthalayam.
Why? Grantalayaha, Vidyalayaha.
Oh, is it Pumlinga? Granthalayah. Granthalayah. Pravishati.
Pravishtaha.
Pravishtaha. Pravishtaha.
Pravishtaha, Pravishta, Pravishtam. See, this
Mahodaya,
is
1 minute before you move on for the first sentence, Mahila Bhihi Bhumau Tishtaha, you said no. So for the ta rupam, when we say Patita, Patita, Patitam, that is Pullingam, Strilingam, Napunsakalingam, they don't have any vachanams, these forms.
Vachanam hai na. You told the 7 vibhaktis you are telling, no? Paditaha, Paditau, Paditaha, it is there, na?
So how will it be Sthitaha?
Depending. In this case, there is no karma padam, right? Bhumau is 7th vibhakti, there is no karma padam. So by rule, you have to use only
correct.
Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Now Grantalayaha has come. Okay, Saha Grantalayam Pravishati. So Grantalayaha, this is singular. So Pravishtaha, it comes. Instead of Grantalayam, something else, Pustakani Paditaha, like something is, Pustakani is there, let us say, Saha Pustakani. Just keep Pravishtaha for the time being. When it is in the plural form, Pustakani will be Prathama Vibhakti also Pustakani, correct? They will be in the Bahuvachanam. So what will be the Ta Pratyayam? Pravishtaha will come. Pustakani. Paditaha will it come? Tena Pustakani. You cannot put Paditaha because it is Bahuvachanam. So Pustakani. Paditaha, Paditav, Paditaha. So Vachanam, you asked that question only, no, Madam Amrita?
Yes.
So if it is there, see, you have to get that word, then only we can explain. Here just you keep it like that. Saha pustakani
Patita.
Saha, if it is there. Here
Tena.
paditavan would have been there. Saha pustakani paditavan would have been there. Originally Kartari Rupam will be Saha pustakani paditavan or Saha pustakani apatat. It will be there. Now when you convert it to ta, you have to now go with the this one. So Saha will become Tena, Pustakani will remain Pustakani, Paditaha will not come because Pustakani is the Kartrupadam now. So Paditaha, Paditau, it will not come, so Paditaha will come. That's all.
Tena pustakani patitaha. Okay.
In the Tavatu Pratyam. If it is in this case, Saha, let the Saha be there. Pustakani, how will you convert it to this Saha? Te. I want to change it to Te Pustakani. Te Pustakani Apatan is there. How will you convert it into Tavatu Pratyam? Te. They read the books. Kartari Rupa only, because Tavatu cannot go into Karmani Rupa. So they will remain Te.
Okay.
Pustakani will remain Pustakani.
Te pustakani apathan, you are converting it into what?
Tavatu.
Tavatu. Okay. Te pustakani apathan. Te pustakani patitavan. No.
Paditavantaha.
Patitavantaha.
Paditavan, Paditavantau, Paditavantaha. It will be there. Generally, they will not give, this is all in the present tense. They don't give like that. They will give Paditavantaha. You will have to convert it into Pustakani, Padita, Taikta Pratyam. How will you? They will become? They will become Taihi.
Taihi.
Pustakani.
Pustakani.
Use Ikta Pratyam.
Patitaha.
Paditaha. That's all. Paditaha. So, first time when you are doing, you are taking. Otherwise, it will be so easy. Very easy. And generally, when you are stuck with suddenly you have to form a sentence in the past tense, in the Kartari Rupam. So, whether it is apatat, apatatau, apatatam, apatan, the confusion you may get. So, you can simply use this paditavan, paditavanto, paditavantaka. This is very easy for you. So, usually people use this Kridanda Rupam because they don't have to worry about changing it. It is the same for Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Aham Paditavan Asmi. If I am a lady, so I will say Aham Pustakam Paditavati, I will say. If it is my husband, let us say, he will say Aham Pustakam Paditavan. You don't have to. Tvam Pustakam Paditavan. Like that, everywhere Paditavan only for the singular. You don't have to apatat, apataha, apatam, like that. You don't have to change at all. So people are very comfortable with the Tavatu Pratyaya and Ta Pratyaya. Okay, yeah? Shall we proceed further? Yes, sir. Can you try from this point onwards? Tasyaha.
Tasyaha mitram kada snati. I'll make Tavatu, ma'am. First Tavatu.
Okay.
Tasyaha mitram kada snatavan snatavan plural.
Mitram napumsakalingam.
Mitram is napumsakalingam, no?
Snanavat.
So Snanavat.
Van will become for Pullingam, Vati for Srilingam, Vat for Napumsakalingam. Okay.
Not one.
Mitram Snatavat. Snatavan is for Saha Kada Snatavan. Okay. Whereas if it is Sa Kada Snatavati, Mitram to use Snatavat only you have to use. Here that is the one problem. Looking at the lingam, the thing will change. One will become Paditavat, Paditavati for Srilingam. This you have to remember. And you have to know the Snadhatu with the Tavatu, how it changes. This you have to remember.
Okay, I'll make that ta also. Ikta pratyaya. The sixth
Try.
one. Tasya.
Try.
Okay. So tasya karmani is 311. Tasyaha becomes
Nothing will happen to that because Tasyaha is in the sixth vibhakti. You don't change at
it's
all.
already there. Tasyaha.
No. Only when from Kartari to Karmani, you don't touch anything except one. That is Prathama Vibhakti. What is there? It will go into Tritiya. Dvidiya Vibhakti. What is there? It will become Prathama. And the verb will change as per the Prathama Vibhakti. That's all.
Prathama.
So here Mitram is in the Prathama Vibhakti. Change it into Tritiya.
Okay. Tasya mitram is prathama. So mitrena kada.
It will not change. Kada is seventh Vibhakti. Kada is a question, no? Saptakahara.
So ta pratyaya will be ta pratyaya for snati will be snataha.
No, that's all. Because there is no karma rupam, so pratama vibhakti ekavachanam eva you are using. Snataha, snata, snatam, that's all. Okay?
Bhavan, I think it's a typos, no? It is Bhavan, not Bhavan.
Yeah. All typing error is there. I can't change also because I don't have the power to change anything. I will tell
Bhavan
them.
Ashirvadam Prapnoti. So Tavatu for this would be Bhavan Ashirvadam Praptavan.
Very good. Praptavan.
And the Ikta Pratyaya would be Bhavantaha.
No. Tritiya vibhakti of Bhavan, ekavachanam. Bhavata. Bhavan, Bhavantam, Bhavata, Bhavate, Bhavataha, Bhavataha, Bhavati, Bhavata.
Rectify this.
Yes. Very
Bhavata
difficult.
Ashirvadam is still in Prathama only. Ashirvadam Prap Tavatu. Sorry, Ikta Pratyaya would be
Praptaha. Ashirvadaha.
Praptabaha.
Bhavata Ashirvadaha Praptaha.
Oh,
Okay.
Ashirvada is a Pullinga, so it is Praptaha. I thought it is Napumsak. So I was about to say Praptam.
But there we have to check up. But I have heard Ashirvadaha, the Tavan like that. So I am right. We have to check up this always. Yogi. Madam Amrita, you can try Yogi.
Yogi ashramam yati. Tavatu pratyaya will be yogi ashramam yatavan. And ta pratyayam will be yogi harina yogina.
But ya dhatu is gadyartha dhatu, no madam?
Yeah.
So
okay. You can keep it as yogi.
Yeah, that's why. Yogi ashramam
yataha.
That also you can do. If you want to change, but don't change. No, now you know it is easy way. Now we will not change. That is why akarmakaha and gam dhatu can be in the kartari rupam for ta pratyay. That just you have to remember. Next
that is a good rule. Bhavantaha kapata natakam drishtva hasanti.
First here tell me what is Prathama, what is in Prathama Vibhakti, what is in Dutiya, what is the verb. That only you tell me.
Bhavantaha is karta. Prathama Vibhakti. Bahuvachanam. Kapata natakam is dvitiya. Hasanti is kriyapadam.
Drishtva?
Drishtva is tvantapadam.
What it is? It is avyayam. Always remember tvantam is avyayam. Okay, lap and tvantam are always avyayam. So Drishtva is avyayam. It will never change wherever you put it. Okay. So now you want to use tavatu, let us say.
Okay.
Now anything, what will change? Nothing will change except dhatu.
Only hasanti will change.
Yeah.
हसितवान् हसितवन्तौ हसितवन्तः. So
That's all.
भवन्तः
Bhavantaha
कपटनाटकं
hasita.
दृष्ट्वा
Yes.
हसितवन्तः.
Vantaha. That's all.
And
Now, has dhatu is which type of dhatu?
अकर्मक.
Now, same thing you can use. Karta relative will not change. So, bhavantaha.
भवन्तः. But this will change, no? This will become kapatanatakah, no?
Nothing will change. Once you say kartari rupam, how it will change? Karmani
Everything.
rupam, when you try only, it will go into tritiya, that will come into pratama and all. Now I told you, hasdhatu is nothing but akarmaka dhatu. So it can be in a kartari rupam. Kartari rupam mein kyun it will change? It will be remain same, no? The
Correct.
bhavantaha kapata natakam is kartari rupam. Don't touch it at all.
भवन्तः कपटनाटकं दृष्ट्वा हसितः.
Bhavantaha. Bhavantaha is plural, you told me.
Correct. हसिताः.
Hasitaha. That's good. Then some subhashitam is there. Over. I don't know. Some subhashitam they have given, but it is not there in your book. You want to read, you can read and tell me the meaning. No idea. I don't have any idea about the subhashitam because it's not from our book. From Niti Satakam they have given. It will be very nice. Bhartruhari has written the Niti Satakam. From this has come. If you want, I will send the meaning in your WhatsApp group. Okay? Because it is not in our book. What you, sir, can you try? Madam is not there, Swapnaji. Yeah. Amrita.
पठितवान्
I'm
बालः
here.
निद्रा
I'm here.
Okay,
I'm
madam.
here. I'm here.
Okay, madam.
Okay. क्षम्यतां.
Read.
तव तु प्रत्ययस्य सप्तसु विभक्तिषु प्रयोगः. पठितवान् बालः निद्रां कृतवान्. पठितवान् बालः.
They are changing into they are going to second. Paditavantam balam. Paditavan balaha. It will change it to Paditavantam balam. But you have to change the word because now this has gone to Dvitiya Bhakti.
Aham apashyam.
Apashyam. I saw the boy who has studied. Okay. Now we are going to Tritiya Bhakti. Change this Paditavan balaha into Tritiya. Okay.
It will be patita.
Paditavan, madam.
Balena.
No. Paditavan.
Patitavan.
What is the Pratipadikam?
No, how it will be Patitavan?
Paditavan is there, but that's Satasya Tritiya Bhakti.
So Tritiya will be
Vata, because Paditavat is the Pratipadikam. Paditavata.
Okay, Patitavata. Patitavata. Patitavata.
Balaha.
Balena. Correct?
So Patitavata Balena. That is some other word they are putting. Because by that Nidra Krita, this they have put in the Kartari Rupam. Okay. Paditavan Balaha Nidram Kritavan, they have changed into Krita, that is Ikta Pratyayam. So they have put it in the Tritiya Vibhakti. The first line they have changed it into Ta Pratyayam. Can you see it? Paditavan Balaha Nidram Kritavan. That they have changed it to Paditavan become Paditavata, Balaha become Balena, Nidram, Dvitiya Bhakti have become Nidra, then Krita. Okay, Nidra is three lingam, so Krita. Okay, now try to fourth Vibhakti, then I will show the result.
Patitavate.
Paditavate. Balaha. Ramaha.
Ramaya. Balaya.
Paditavate Balaya. Modakam Dehi. You give. Dehi is Dada Toda Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. You give lot lakaram. Okay? Modakam, they give modakam to that boy. Okay. Next, fifth try.
पठितवतः
Hmm.
रामात् बालात्
Hmm. Right? So, paditavatiha balat dhanam svikuru. Take the money from that boy. Okay. Dhanam svikuru. Lot lakaram. Next, this is what?
पठितवतः बालकस्य
Nama kim. Something you can put it. So, paditavasya balasya. Balakasya you should. Balaha is there, so car it will not be.
बालस्य सारी
Balasya pita grihe nasti. Okay. Now, seventh.
पठितवती
Hmm.
पठितवती बाले
Bale. Paditavati Bale, Bangalore Nagare Asti. Something like that you can put it. Okay. Paditavati Bale, Mama, Vishesha Preeti Asti. Oh, I have got a great list. Okay. Now you know how to change. But here what you have changed is Paditavan has gone into, that is in the Prathama Vibhakti Ekarupam. Na? So Didiya Ekam, Tritiya Ekam, like that you have completely converted. It can go into double also, no? So Padita, starting with two people, if it is there, Paditavan will not be there. What will be there? Paditavantau balau nidram kritavantau. Correct? The same first letter, you use two people instead of one boy. Balaha, balau. Try. You one you try, next Amrita can try.
पठित
Change into two people. It's not balaha. Same, other things are same.
पठितवन्तौ बालौ then you want the second one पठित
No, that nidram kritavan is there, no?
oh okay निद्रां कृतवन्तौ वा
Correct. One will become one thou because Balav is there. That's all. And now Amrita ji will take Balaha as two people and change it.
Okay. Patitavantam will become Patitavantau. Patitavantau balau aham
Enough. No, this all will apashya. Aham apashya will not change. Correct. But that second part I don't want. Go to the third one. 3.
Patitavata will become Patitavatabhyam. How? Patitavatabhyam is correct?
Correct.
Patitavatabhyam.
Paditavan. Correct. Paditavat is the Pratipadikam. Paditavadbhyam.
Patitavadbhyam. Patitavadbhyam balabhyam. Nidra. No, next.
That is leave it. That we don't.
Okay. Then Patitavadbhyam balabhyam. Again.
It will not change. Up to 5 it doesn't change. Then come to the sixth one.
Sixth one will be
Patitavatoho.
Patitavatoho Bhavatah Patitavatoho Balayoho.
Enough. Leave it. Seventh.
Patitavatoho Balayoho.
Patitavatoho Balayoho only. That will not change. Okay, yeah. So to some extent it looks difficult, but if you practice it will come very quickly. Okay. Now I will give the work of to sir. Sir, Balaha, you take it. Balaha.
Patitavan.
The second part ignore as it is. Yeah. Paditavan will become Paditavantaha Balaha.
Patitavantaha Balaha.
Next.
Patitavanta. This is second vibhakti.
This singular. Paditavantam is singular.
Patitavantai balaihi.
No. See, Paditavan, you have to know all the 7 vibhakti. Paditavan, Paditavanto, Paditavantaha. In Dudya vibhakti, Paditavantam. Okay. Paditavantam, Paditavanto, Paditavataha. So, Paditavataha is the Dudya vibhakti Bahuvachanam. पठितवतः बालाः
पठितवतः
द्वितीया बहुवचनं
बालाः
बालान् बालान्
बालान् बालान्
बालः द्वितीयावचनं द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं is बालान्.
बालान्.
Because this is both Dvitiya Vibhakti they have used, okay? So, but we are using the Bhagavachana. So, Balana, leave it, next. Then Tritiya Vibhakti. Paditavan order Tritiya Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam I want.
Okay, Bahuvachan would be
Paditavata,
Patitavat plus
Paditavat Bihi.
Bahuvachan.
Paditavat Bihi.
Balabihi.
Balaihi, no? Balaha means Balaihi. Ramaha Ramaihi, dana. Tritiya Bhakti. Rama Sabdam, no? Balaha. So Ramaihi.
Okay.
Tritiya Bhakti Bhagavachanam is Ramaha Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi. So Balaihi. Simply keep that Bala Sabdam once comes Rama Sabda today, all the Vibhakti keep before your mind and simply substitute it. Okay. Fourth Vibhakti.
Patitavadbhyah.
Patitavat is the Pratipadikam. Vadbhyah.
Adbhyah. So Patitavadbhyah. Rama. Amat. Balayana.
Ramebhyah is the fourth one. Here, Balebhyah.
Ramebhyah.
So, Balebhyah. Yekaram will come. Remember that. Rama Sabdatla, Ramebhyah. So, here, Balebhyah. Next, that's all. Okay? This way, you have to try all these things. I will put it today in your, this one. It's already 8:30. I think many of you will be in Saturday, what you are. This only can we complete this particular screen. Complete it, sir. Then I'll stop the class.
Yeah. So the fifth
Fifth Vibhakti. Fifth. Paditavadbhyah.
Rama. Paditavadbhyah.
Balebhyah.
Ramebhyah, na? So Balebhyah.
That's all. Fifth. Correct. Sixth.
Sixth would be
Paditavat is the Pratipadikam.
Patikavat. Ramabihi, no?
Patitavatam. Sixth Vibhakti is Patitavatam.
Ramam.
So Patitavatam. For Balaha, what is the sixth Vibhakti?
Sixth Vibhakti would be
Balanam, Ramanam. Paditava, okay. Ramanam, leave it next. Seventh Vibhakti, Paditavati, is the singular. What is the Bhagavachanam? Paditavatsu. Rameshu, you are telling, no? Here, Paditavatsu.
Baleshu.
Baleshu, correct. Rameshu, Baleshu, that's all. Okay? With this, we will stop the class now. Sir, can you tell me that slokam?
Mangala Shlok. Okay. Om Purnamada, Purnamadam, Purnat, Purnamudachyate, Purnasya Purnamadaya, Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Harihi Om Shanti.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mani Mahoday, when is the exam?
For this year, right now, you are going to write this quarter. 25th is the exam. I will send you the details. If you are writing this, that is Madras based, that is that Samskrita Bharati, I have the date and everything. I can send you.
No, the date is there on the website over here. I was just asking because he is writing, no? I wanted to know.
Yeah, for sir, that's what I am requesting. You
to my
me
knowledge, Samskrita Bharati told me it is 22nd, Sunday, February.
Oh, coming
22nd,
all the
25th.
best.
All the best.
Yeah, the last Sunday of Feb.
Okay.
Which falls on 22nd is.